Hi guys, welcome to the first lecture of chemistry. Now you are in the class 11th and the name of the chapter is Some Basic Concept of Chemistry. I know that you have done very well in class 10th and your next aim is board examinations of class 12th as well as the competitive exams. Now for this chapter, Some Basic Concept of Chemistry, we are going to discuss about these topics. And we will give emphasis on mole concept, equivalent mass, and stoichiometry. Now, chemistry is divided in three parts majorly. First is organic chemistry, then inorganic, and then physical chemistry. But apart from that, there are many areas where chemistry is applied. For example, there is agriculture, there is soaps and detergents, there is dyes, pharmaceuticals, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, and many more. Now, chemistry, as per NCERT, is the study of the composition of matter. Now, first we have to know what is the meaning of matter. Matter is something which have mass and it occupy some volume also. Matter can be classified in two ways. One is physical and other is chemical. Physically, it is again classified as solid, liquid and gas. And chemically, it can be classified like mixture and the pure substances. Mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. And pure substances are also of two types, that is elements and compounds. Now we all know elements combine to form compounds, right? Now elements and compounds are the examples of matter. Now we have to know about the measurement of that matter. Suppose I want to weigh something, or I want to find the length of that particular thing, whatever it is. So for that, I need units. And these units are, for physical quantities like length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of substances, we have the units. Length, the unit is meter. Mass, we have kilogram. For time, we have seconds. To measure the electric current, we have ampere. For temperature, we have Kelvin. For luminous intensity, we have candela. And amount of substance, we have mole. Now, those units generally we use in our day-to-day life, and some common terms are there. Let us discuss those terms. And those terms are the prefixes for the expressing the decimal fraction of SI unit. Let me explain you what is this actually. Suppose I have a stick and I am measuring that stick in meters, right? There is one more stick and length of that particular stick is 1000 times more than the stick I am having. So what I will do? I will use the prefix kilo. Means the stick I am using, I will use the unit meters, and for the other stick I will use the unit kilometers. And if there is another stick which is smaller than this stick, 100 times smaller than this stick, I will use the prefix centi, and I will use the prefix that is centimeter. So centimeter will be the unit of that stick which is 100 times smaller than the stick which I was measuring previously. Now what will happen if it is much bigger than kilo? We have symbols and prefixes for that also. For example, if it is 10 to the power 24 times bigger than that, we have prefix iota and symbol is Y. Similarly, for 10 to the power 21 we have zeta, for 10 to the power 18 we have exa, for 10 to the power 6 we have mega. If it is very small, then we use nano for 10 to the power minus 9, pico for 10 to the power minus 12, and so on. So these are the SI units and the prefixes we generally use in our measurements. Let's know more about the measurements and the uncertainty in them.